That winter storm warning in effect in Colorado this morning as the worst snowstorm in 3 years buries parts of Denver. It's causing cars to spin out. It's even hard for plows to make it through. Some major highways in the state have been forced to shut down. CBS News national correspondent Dave Malkoff is in Golden, Colorado. That's just west of Denver. Golden, Colorado might need to change its name because it is not golden right now. Dave, what are people waking up to this morning? Look at you.
Yeah, if you see any golden snow, stay away, right, Anne-Marie?
Don't eat it.
it's not, yeah. You don't want to be near any of that. This is right near where Red Rocks is, and this is what people are waking up to right now. This just happened overnight, Anne-Marie. It just started falling just after midnight, and now, it was very blowing and powdery snow, but now you can see it's pretty packable right now. So that's what we have on the roadways. I'm looking at I-70 back here, right over this wall, and there's nobody on it. A 55-mile stretch of I-70 is actually shut down at this point.
Wow. This is the kind of snow that's so much fun to be outside in, as long as it's not super frigid and cold, because you can have a lot of fun. And as long as you don't have to drive in it, of course. So what is expected for the rest of the day? What can the adults expect to have to deal with for the rest of the day? Because I imagine the kids are going to be having a ball.
Yeah, they're dealing with no school, but possibly there's no work as well. A lot of businesses are shut down. The airport has something like 800 flights that have been already canceled for now. At one point, it was 40% of the flights. I wouldn't be surprised if that goes up. But throughout the day, we are just going to see more and more snowfall. This is just hours away from the peak of it. There are some places that were predicting yesterday having 56 inches of snow, and that's not just here in the Denver area, but also north of Colorado Springs. So they're looking at what could be the biggest snowstorm they have seen here in over 3 years.
And then, this nasty weather, it's not just there. Stormy night in Kansas, stormy night in Missouri. What was happening?
Yeah, as we were flying here, I was looking at the radar and looking out the window, and as we got over Wichita, they told the flight attendants to sit down. It was about to get very bumpy, and let me show you why that was. There is some video of a suspected tornado in Wichita that was also seen by law enforcement, and then so after that happens, they have to, NWS, the National Weather Service, has to go back and look at the radar and find out if that was actually a tornado. Then they'll send out the survey crew. They'll look at the damage, how metal was twisted around, and that's how they get what EF level this tornado was.
Really interesting stuff. All right, Dave, thank you so much.
Thanks, Anne-Marie.